Hello everybody. I hope I find everybody fine. And if you're not fine, for you to get well soon, due to the times being. So in this episode, I'm gonna show you how I have to repair a little guide that's missing the little notch here. That goes directly inside the little hole. I don't know if you see it. There's a little hole over here that as the guide moves, see? The hole is here. As the guide moves, the wheels turn. So on this occasion, it has broken because they're so fragile. So what did I do? I'm gonna have to make something like this. I took a hot iron, a soldering iron, and I enlarged the hole. Like I made a hole where the thing is supposed to be. All right. So I took the hole is already pre-made. Yeah, maybe like this. So this we will not need it anymore. It was hot. I did be very careful because it's hot and you just press it through, it's gonna go like butter, okay? And right away you unplug it because safety first, alright? Then what did I do? I took a pin, a needle, okay? I dabbed it in super glue and then dabbed it back into baking powder. So I made it made like a coat on it. Okay, I'll just show you how this works. Okay, and this coat becomes very hard. It's like plastic-like. Okay, you hear it. So I'll just demonstrate how this happens on the other extremity of the needle. I'm gonna open the baking soda. I take the super glue. It's a chemical reaction happening between super glue and so I'll put it here just to demonstrate what dabbing it inside soda would be like. So as I was saying, it's a chemical reaction, instant. The super glue hardens right away, and there you go. You see? Well, yeah, you can repeat this procedure to make it as thick as you want. So I've already done this. I make sure that my pen is going through because of the thickness. Yeah, a little bit of difficulty, so that's a good thing. Just needs to be straighter. All right. Let me just clean my fingers. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some glue in here. Actually, I'm gonna just stick it here like this. And with the glue, I'm sorry, I lost focus. So I'll just stick it in here. And I'll just add the super glue in between and then some baking powder and then make it glue baking powder to make a little base so it won't be wiggling. And then I'm just gonna cut it off. So this is how it's gonna go. Make sure that my hole is big enough because it feels a bit weird because already having the glue on the needle, I've already tried without the glue, so the glue and the baking soda. So the iron right now, it's not hot, it's just reopening the hole, making sure. And we're gonna make sure that once inserted and starts the drying procedure, that it's gonna be straight. Because the whole point of it is being straight. If not, it's not gonna guide. It's all about it inserted in a specific millimeter distance. So let's do it. So I'm adding the glue. Make sure you take the things out of the way. This has to be a bit like this, and inserting it. As I said, very important, needs to be straight. And I'll just put some soda on it. So you see? So like so. As I said, it's important for it to be straight. So now what I'm going to try to do is like to compact it a bit. See, it's holding. I'm going to put another little coat. And I just hope it won't be in the way. It's not going to be too much. Okay, so go for the second coat. Doesn't seem straight, but I'm sure it's going to work. And then again, soda. And there you go. So you let the chemical reaction activate, and look. There you go. Now the only thing I have to do is to cut it. So this in comparison, I'm gonna just cut it to the length of this, comparable to the length of this, and that's it. Or maybe a bit longer. It's better to have longer than shorter. Goodbye, needle. That's it. You hear it? Just trying to like nail file it, and that's it. You got it right here. And shall it work? Wait, I just need to align it a bit more. Being metal, at least it's manual. And there you go, you see? It just clicks in. And look at the wheels. There you have it. You see how strong it is? It got caught here and doesn't want to come out. Demonstration. It looks like plastic. It is plastic. So thanks for watching this episode, guys. I hope it's useful to any use you could you could think of, like something that needs to be repaired, and doesn't hold properly, like in this kind of case, and that's it. That it took me months to figure out how to do it, and I'm a guy that thinks. It took me months, and I figured it out. So guys, think and figure it out. Thanks for watching.